Are you ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts? In this tutorial, we will dive into the world of ManyChat, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your business like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform the way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? So let's go. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can get started with ManyChat.com. First of all, we have just to dive into ManyChat.com, and this is the home page as you can see. So what is ManyChat? ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So this is what is ManyChat. And here we have a various information you have to know. First of all, we have here enlarge the power of chat marketing, drive more sales and conversion on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using automation. So here we have, if you scroll down, Instagram DMS answer every single question, comment, and story, reply 24/7 per 24 to attract more leads, increase sales, and drive higher conversion on AG. You have WhatsApp, use WhatsApp automation to help customers discover products, retrieve order information, and deliver customer support, all on autopilot. You have your Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to funnel more sales, generate leads, automate fakes, and run marketing campaigns. You have here use chat marketing to drive more sales on autopilot, supercharge your leads generation, and we have your increased conversion rates by up to 90%. Then we have automatically respond to every message, claim back your time and slash costs, no teacher experience, no worries. Already discovered one over the 1 million brands trust ManyChat. Then we have here how you can get started with ManyChat. The first step, which is join over the 1 million smart brands and sign up for a risk-free trial. Then we have the second step, which is use our template Galway to create a customized chat marketing campaign in as little as 50 minutes. Then we have the step 3, which is leverage your social media channels, generate more conversion, sales, and revenue 7 per 24 hours. So this is how you can get started with following the steps. Then we have here the pricing here. Choose a ManyChat plan that's what for you. So it's for free. Get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage with up to 1,000 contacts free of charge. Then we have here get started, no credit card or charge credit card required. You have your channel access, Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. Then you have your key features, automate conversations, unlimited custom flows to engage up to 1,000 contacts, you have acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads through automation, you have your segment your contacts, 10 customer tags. Then we have, if we come back, you have just to click over get started and you'll find this page as you can see. Here we have what channel would you like to start with. Don't worry, you can connect other channel later. So we have firstly Instagram here, supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation. We have also Facebook Messenger, create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. We have WhatsApp, choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. Then we have Telegram, power up your business with Telegram automation. Then you will find the dashboard here. So as you can see, so ManyChat is a reviews platform that enables businesses to automate customer interactions through chatbots. Its user-friendly interface allows you to create customized conversation flows and automate responses effortlessly. With features like audience segmentation and analytics, you can personalize engagement and refine your marketing strategies. Leveraging ManyChat, you can enhance communication, boost sales, and strengthen customer relationships. Start using ManyChat today to revolutionize how you connect with your audience. So this is how it works. So we have just to follow these 3 steps. Sell products in DMS, generate leads with stories, and recognize questions in DM with AI. First one, you have sent a product lineup and in Instagram DMS. So we have here sell product in DMS. We have here how it works. You can earn real money from Instagram as easy as a comment and show off the products you have in a color product gallery. You will give your followers what they want and show them what else you've got to offer. And you click over setup templates. Once you do that, you'll find this page. As you can see, you should connect the Instagram channel to use this. You have here the first one, you have to connect channel here. So you have to click on new tiger here and you get started. We have also the second one. As you can see, I'm so excited to see what I've got on offer. I've just bought on your products. You have the third one, which is this one. You have here this one. Tap below to check them out. Click here on the up button and we have you waiting 16 seconds. And here we have, do you have any question about your job? I'm here to help. Then we have you add quick reply. You can add one of the contact blocks, text, add simple text and buttons, image. We have boost engagement with visuals, have delay here, data collection and more. Then we have the second one, which is generate leads with stories. Use limited time offers in your stories to convert leads. We have recognized questions and them would AI identify and respond to common user queries. So about this one, we have here how does it work. Promote your favorite lead generating offer like webinar, course, waitlist, or giveaway, whatever in your story and spark on two-way conversion while collecting data or more a lead. Finally, your stories can do more work for you in their short 24 hours. You click over start templates and you get started. Then we have the last one, which is organize questions in DM with EA. Identify and respond to common user inquiries. Here we have how does it work. First of all, describe the topic of user question. The attention of the message will be automatically detected and compared to what you input. Then you have what to answer for the question. You can add images, videos, and links. Then you click for setup templates and you get started. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.